It was probably when he was alive.
Is it recording?
I don't know, is it?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. This is dumb. Boo!
Yeah, it is that.
Are your hiccups gone? Hold on. I have an idea. Don't look at me. No! Turn around. Boo! Are your hiccups gone?
No.
Are they gone now?
No.
How about now?
I don't know. Nope.
Stop hiccuping right now.
I can't stop. Oh, they hurt.
Sorry. I don't have depth perception. I couldn't tell because I was looking in the camera.
Oh. I thought you said death. I was like, what?
I didn't mean to say it.
Oh my God, I'm gonna have a heart attack.
That's not a good idea to do.
Yeah, consider you just
Stop.
How do you get rid of hiccups?
I have to scare you. Hold your breath. Hold your breath for 20 seconds. I'll tell you when to go. Ready? Take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Don't. You still have to hold it even if you hiccup.
I can't. Okay, ready?
Go. That wasn't 20 seconds, I don't think. Are you still holding it? What were you just looking at? My boob?
Yeah. God damn.
I'm gonna scare you, okay?
Okay.
Again. Oh, your eyes are pretty. Okay, ready?
No, they don't.
Did that scare you?
Damn it. No.
Gave birth to a baby boy in Los Angeles on Wednesday, finally bringing an end to her 29-month pregnancy.
Ow. They hurt.
Stop.
In Wisconsin had to be rescued by a locksmith this past weekend after getting stuck in a supermarket toy machine.